chin-ups. Different from pull-ups because your hands are facing in. Usually it's good to get a little bit closer than when you're doing a pull-up. So either hands shoulder width apart or slightly closer. So this is going to use your biceps a little bit more than a wider grip pull-up. Usually you can do a few more reps too with a chin-up. So start by hanging all the way down, then you're going to initiate the movement by pulling those shoulder blades down, or pulling the shoulders down first, and then pulling your chest towards the bar. Lower yourself all the way down on each rep.